Hey, what's up? Melanie Winston here. And if you're watching this video, you are probably doing some research online about how to sign up with Motor Club of America or how to join MCA, how to join Motor Club of America. Maybe I sent this video out to you because we spoke, whether it was via message on IG or Facebook or wherever we are communicating at. Maybe I sent this video out to you so that you could have a visual that you could follow. I know some people are visual learners. I myself am a visual learner, so I wanted to make this video specifically for you so that you can have step-by-step instructions, not just the instructions that I sent you via the message, but also just a visual to follow along with. So and again, if you just somehow were searching online and you found my page, my YouTube channel, because you maybe were searching on Google how to join Motor Club of America, you can stick around to the end of this video and I'll be showing you exactly how you can join Motor Club of America. And I'll also be telling you at the end of the video, I'll be giving out some bonuses that you'll be getting just for joining Motor Club of America with me, because you can join with a lot of people, but a lot of sponsors aren't going to treat you, well, no sponsor is going to treat you the way I'm going to treat you, because I'm me. I'm the only person that can treat you this way, but I'll make sure I take very good care of my team. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time checking out my videos, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell as well, so you'll receive notifications of when I upload new valuable content, new videos. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this really quickly, but I also want you to connect with me on Facebook. I spend some time on Facebook as well, facebook.com/the Melanie Winston. Send me a friend request, send me a message once you signed up and let me know. Just say, hey, I signed up, I'm ready for my training, and I'll get you some training. But I'm going to, like I said, show you exactly what you need to do in order to sign up under me. So I'm pretty sure if I've spoken with you already, you already have this link. But if you found me just from searching, I'm gonna drop this link in the description below. But you're gonna want to go to getpaidwithmelanie.com, right? Once that comes up, you'll see this. You can take a look at this, listen to this video, put your name in. I don't know if it's going to allow me to do this, but because I've already tested it before, but let's see. Put your email there, valid email address, and it's going to bring you to this page. And if you want, you can review this information. This is a video giving a little more information about what Motor Club of America is. As you can see, you can read along here to find out more information about Motor Club of America. If you want to know how the money is made, you can click there. Let me stop this. You can click there if you want to know about the compensation plan. If you want to see the different services that we provide 3 different memberships. If you're doing this to earn money, I highly recommend you doing this package. This is the package that pays you the $80 per sale, $80 to $90 per commission. Each package gives you a 200% commission for what this is. So you can go ahead and do the math on the 200% on the rest of these, but this is the one that you want to focus on right here. So you'll click there to get started, and I'll click there for you, but you can also check out some testimonial videos here, just some different videos of different people and different whether it's about the income opportunity, like I have my own personal video up there, or if you just have people who were using the benefits. So you can check that information out. Just more information for you if you haven't already checked that information out. But so you're going to want to, once you get in here and you reviewed all the information, you're going to want to click join my team, right? And that'll take you to this screen here. And this here, it'll give you some information as well. You're going to want to select this total security package, get started. You're going to want to fill this information out. Here I have no prepaid cards. No prepaid cards, guys. A prepaid card is any card that you can take into a store and add funds to it. You're going to want to use a bank account, such as like Wells Fargo, Fifth Third, Chase, TD Bank, PNC, Bank of America, banks like that, your local credit unions. Those type of banks are the type of bank accounts that you want to use. And if you don't have one of those, then you're going to want to find someone. I know that you have people that trust you. You're going to want to find them and ask them, hey, I need to make a purchase online. I'm going to give you the money for it. You give them the money for it, the $39.90. Hey, give them $40 and let them keep the 10 cents for letting you use their account. And then the next month, just make sure you give them the $19.95. And after that, you can switch it over until, actually, you want to wait 90 days, and then you can switch it over to your own personal card for your monthly payments of $19.95 a month. But you're going to want to fill this information here out. Make sure you're selecting credit card. Don't do bank account, because bank account takes a lot longer to verify. So just do credit card. That can be verified a lot quicker. Go ahead, create your password, and then you place order, and you'll get a confirmation screen. If you want, you can take a screenshot of that and just send me that and let me know, hey, I signed up and I'm ready to get started. I'm ready for my training, right? Because, see, this is a business, guys, and, you see people online making a lot of money, and you have big hopes and dreams and high aspirations that you'll make a lot of money as well. And I believe that if you've watched this video to this far, that you have the potential to make those types of incomes that you've seen online. Whatever it is you desire, I know that you can get it as long as you plug into the training, you believe in yourself, and you're consistent. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. I'm so sorry. But as long as you're consistent with applying the training and not giving up, give it a good 90-day run when you first get in, and just go after it with all that you have in you. Set your goals. We're here to help you hit them. Like I said, I have the training that I use, the same training that got you here is the same training that I'll be giving to you. I'll be giving you access to. I have my own MCA group that I started here, MCA Passion Pursuers Lounge. You come in here, and this is the group that I'll be welcome you in when you once you sign up and send me that information that you've already signed up. As you can see, I post videos in here. I connect with my team. I have a contest going right now with my team. When you join, I welcome you to the team. Yeah, and we pretty much have a good time over here. But I have training in here, and this again is the same training that I use, the same training that everyone else in here is using, and I can tell you that if you use the training, you'll get the results. So again, go ahead and get all this information filled out. I'm going to drop these links in the bottom in the description as well, so that you don't have to try to figure it all out on your own. Just click on those links and follow along with these directions. And if you run into any issues or you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Again, thank you so much for taking your time to check out this video. I hope you found some value here. If you did find some value here, share this out to your friends. There are so many people. Actually, 40,000 people per month are searching MCA and how to want information on MCA and how to join MCA. So share this out with your friends. This can help benefit them as well. And again, connect with me on any social sites. I'm going to drop that information below as well. Thank you for checking out my channel, checking out this video. I'm always telling you, you can have any and everything you want as long as you put your mind to it by making a decision. And following that decision, you have to apply massive, consistent action. And whatever it is that you're going after, you will manifest it into your reality. Thank you again for taking the time to check out this video. Peace.